Students, good afternoon, everyone. Today, we are going to discuss about second year mathematics A, measures of dispersions. In the chapter, one MCET question and as well as one JE means question. The continuation of the yesterday class only. Measures of dispersions in the chapter, we get one MCET question, one MCET question, and as well as one JE means question. Good afternoon, everyone. We are going to discuss about first problem. The mean of 9 items is 15. The mean of 9 items is 15. If one more item is added to the series, the mean becomes a 16. Then the value of the 10th item. What are given? The mean of 9 items is a 15 is given. The mean of 9 items. So the mean of 9 items is equal to how much here? The mean of 9 items value is 15. Then one more item is added to the series, the mean becomes 16. First of all, you have to find the mean of 9 items value. What is the mean of 9 items means? X1 plus X2 plus so on up to X9 by 9 is equal what is given? E given 15 is given. So mean means sum of observations by number of observations. What is given? This problem is previous MCET question. The mean of 9 items is 15. That's why sum of 9 items by 9 is equal to 15 only. Indirectly, what we will get? We get X1 plus X2 plus so on. X9 is equal 15 into 9 ja 135 value. 135. What is the now one more item is added. Now one more item is added to one more item. Means indirectly, what is the value? X1 plus X2 plus X3 plus so on plus X9 is already there. Now added the one more item. One more item means X10 by number of items are here 10 only. That is equal what you will give? You give only 16. Clear observation here. 9 observations, 9 items mean is equal 15 only. Now here one more is added. One more is added means indirectly 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. In this case, where we take the mean become is equal to 16. That's why X1 plus X2 plus X3 plus X9 is equal to by 10 is that is equal and only. What we'll get here? Therefore, X plus X2 plus X3 plus X9 is equal 135 only. Therefore, what is the value? X10 value. What you want? You want X10 value only. Therefore, 135 plus X10 is equal. What is the value? 160. Why? Because cross multiplication, what we will get? We get 160 only. But already we know what you know. You know the X1 plus X2 plus X9 is equal 135. 135 only. Therefore, X1 plus X2 plus X3 is equal 135. Indirectly, what is the value of X10? X10 is equal to 160 minus 135 is equal to 25 is the 10th. X10 value is equal. What is the 16th value? What is the 10th item? 10th item is equal 25 is the our correct solution. Once again, I will repeat the concept. What is given? He given 9 items, mean is 15. So 9 items means X1 plus X2 plus so on. X9 is equal 9 by 9 is equal 15 is given. Therefore, X1 plus X2 plus X3 plus X9 is equal 130. What is the value? 135 is there. Now, what it can one more item is added. So, how to add the X9 plus X10? One more item is added. Means one more item is added means X1 plus X2 plus so on. X9 plus X10 by 10. Why? Because I'm taking it 10. Sir, here is first given is a 9 item. That's why is 9 only. But what is given? The 16 means but one more is added. One more added means extra we can add a total number of items are 10. That is equal 16. That is equal 16 only. Then what we will get? We get X1 plus X2 plus so on. X9 plus X10 is equal 160. Why? Because cross multiplication. But up to here, Up to what is the value of x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x9 is equal, x9 is equal to 135. Software 135 plus x10 is equal to 160 only. Therefore, x10 is equal to 165. 135, 160 minus 135 is equal to 25 is the 10th item. 25 is the 10th item only. Very, very shortcut method. Again, I have simple shortcut method. What is the value shortcut here? Sir, 9 into 15 is equal to 135. Okay. Next one, what you want? Extra one is added. Extra one added means 10. Therefore, 10 into 16 is equal to 160. 160 minus 135. 160 minus 135 is equal to 25. Therefore, added item is extra is equal to 135 is the correct solution. Simple. What is given? 9 items is given. 9 items into means 9 into 15 is equal to 135. What we will get? We get 135. Then after the mean become a 16. When you added one item, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 10 into 16 is equal to 160. But what is the difference between 135 minus 160 is equal to only 25? The difference means extra we can add the 10 only. That's why x10 is equal to 25 is the our solution only. Third option is correct answer. The way of procedure is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus so on, x9 is equal to 15. Cross multiplication, what we will get? x1 plus x2 plus x3 so on, x9 is equal to 135 only. Now one more item is added. One more item means x10 is added. That is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 160. But up to x9 is equal to 135 only. 135 plus x10 is equal to 160. x10 is equal to 25 is the our correct solution. Next problem. The weighted arithmetic mean of first n natural numbers whose weights are equal to corresponding the numbers. What is given? The weighted arithmetic mean. The weighted arithmetic mean. The weighted arithmetic mean of first n natural numbers whose weights are equal to. These weights are equal to corresponding numbers. These are equal. Corresponding numbers and weights are equal. What is the formula? Arithmetic mean formula? W1 into x1, W2 into x2 plus so on, Wn by xn by what is the value? W1 plus W2 plus W3, W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus so on, Wn. What is given? The weighted of arithmetic means W1 into x1. But indirectly, what is given? Weightage and numbers are equal. Means, for example, W1 is equal, we take 1, x1 is equal to 1. W2 is equal, we take 2, x2 is equal to 2. Indirectly, 1 into 1. W1 value, x1 value are equal. W2 value, x2 values are equal. Means, indirectly, 1 into 1 is equal to 1 square. Next one, 2 into 2 is equal to 2 square plus 1. Last one, n into n is equal to n square by sum of the numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on, n only, plus so on, n only. What is given? W1, x1. W1 value is equal to 1, x1 value is equal to 1. 1 into 1 is equal to 1 square. W2 value is equal to, x2 value is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 2 square. Up to so on, n into n is equal to n square. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square is equal. What is the formula? Sum of the n square is equal to formula is, already we know formula. Sum of the n square formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. And sum of the numbers formula n into n plus 1 by 2. Denominator value 1 plus 2 plus 3. N into n plus 1, n into n plus 1 get cancelled. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. What is our solution? Our solution is 2n plus 1 by 3 is the our correct solution. What is our solution? 2n plus 3 is our correct. Once again, I will repeat the weighted of arithmetic mean of n first to n natural numbers. The arithmetic mean of weighted means W1 x1, W2 x2. So, but what is given? Weightage and corresponding elements are equal. Suppose we take W1 is equal to 1, x1 also 1. W2 is equal to x2 also 2. W3 is equal to 3, x3 also 3. W10 is equal to 10, xn is equal to 10. So what is the numerator value? 1 into 1, 1 square, 2 into 2, 2 square, so on. N into n is equal to n square. By denominator, what is the value? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on. 1 plus 3 plus so on, that is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 only. N into n plus 1 by get cancel, we get 2n plus 1 by 3 is the our correct solution. 2n plus 1 by 3 is the our correct solution only. The third option is the correct answer. Third one is the correct solution. Formula, the weighted arithmetic mean is W1 x1 plus W2 x2 plus W3 x3 plus so on W3 x3 so on Wn xn by W1 plus W2 plus W3 so on Wn. We take 1 into 1, 1 square, 2 into 2, 2 square. Sum of n square formula is equal to n into n plus 1 by 6, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Denominator value n into n plus 1 by 2. Now here, what is the value here? N into n plus 1, n into n plus 1 get cancelled. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. Therefore, solution is 2n plus 1 by 3 is the our correct solution of the problem. Next problem, the mean of 9 observations. Next problem, the mean of 9 observations is 100. The mean of 9 observations is 100. 9 observation value is 100 and 6 observation value is 90. 6 observation value is 90. Then the mean of 15 observations. How to find? Simple here. The mean of 9 observation is equal 9 observation is 100. So indirect 9 into 100 is equal 900. Our shortcut method is 900. Next one, 6 observation means 90. 90 into 6 ja 540. Therefore, what you want? You want the mean of the 15 observations. So 15 observations, here 9 observations, here 6 observations. 9 plus 6 is equal 15. Therefore, 900 plus 540 by 15 is the our solution. Simple, easy method, shortcut method. Don't do lengthy procedure. Again, I will explain clearly. Don't worry. What he given? He given 9 observations is equal to 100 only. Therefore, 900 means total value is equal 900. Next, 6 observation is equal 90. 6 observations is equal 90. Therefore, 9 6 is 540. What do you want? Total 15 observation. Total 15 observation means what is the value? 900 plus 540. 900 plus 540 by 15 is equal to, we get 1440 by 15 is equal to, we get 92 is the our solution. Simple method. Answer, what is the answer? Answer is 92. Indirectly, how to find the 9 observations value is 100. Means x1 plus x2 plus 1 x9 by 9 is equal 100. Therefore, indirectly, x1 plus x2 plus 1 x9 is equal 900. Next, what they given? Second observations, taking another color, y1 plus y2 plus 1 y6 by 6 is equal. What is the value? Is equal 90. Therefore, indirectly, y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus 1 y6 is equal to 540. What you want? You want sum of the total observations. Sum of the total observations means I'm taking here x1 plus x2 plus 1 x9 plus y1 plus y2 plus 1 y6. By total value, how many variables total are 15? Therefore, indirectly, what is the value? 900 plus 540. 900 plus 540 is equal to 1440. 1440 by 15, we get 92 is the our solution. This is an way of procedure. Or the previous slide is just only shortcut method. 9 into 100 is equal 900. 6 into 90 is equal 540. 900 plus 540 is equal 1440. 1440 by 15 is equal, we got 92 is the mean of the 15 observations. First option is correct answer. The way of procedure is x1 plus x2 plus x3 so on x9 is equal to 100. x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus so on x9 is equal to 900. Similarly, y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus so on y6 is equal to 90. y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y6 is equal to 540. What do you want? The observation, total observations are 15 here, not taking here 15. Therefore, 900 plus 540 by 15 is equal 92 is the our solution. Next problem, JEE Mains 2019 problem, and as well as MSET problem also. JEE Mains 2019 and also MSET question. Same problem is also MSET. The mean of 10 observations is 16.3. By an error, one observation is registered as 32 instead of 23. Actually, the number is 23, but the mistaken is printed as 32. Registered as 32 instead of 23 only. In place of 23, what is writing? The writing is only 32. Then the correct mean is. Once again, I will repeat the concept. What is given? The mean of 10 observations is 16.3. The mean of 10 observations is 16.3. So I am taking, what is I'm taking here? x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus 1 x9 plus 32 by 10 is equal 16.3. 16.3. But what is given in place of 32, in place of 23, what is entered is 32. What is the difference between 32 and 23? Is a 9 difference. That's why x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus so on x9. 32 can be written as 23 means 23, 32 minus 9. What you want new mean is 23. 33 minus 9 by what is the value here? 10 only. So up to here, what is the value? X1 plus x2 plus x3 plus so on. 32 by 10 is equal. What is the value? 63.5. 16.3 by 9 by 10. 9 by 10 is equal 0.9. Therefore, 16.3 minus 0.9, that is equal 15.4 is the our correct solution. Indirectly, what they given in place of 23, what is substitute? 32 substitute. That's why extra. How many numbers are added? Extra is 9 number. That's why we can subtract only 9. 32 minus 9. 32 minus 9 is equal to 9 by 10. 9 by 10 means 16.3 minus 0.9. 16.3 minus 0.9 is equal to, we get 15.4 is the our correct solution. Once again, I will repeat the concept. What is the problem here? X1 plus x2 plus x3 so on. X9 is equal 39. X9 plus 32 is equal 16.3. So what is the value? X1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x9 by plus 23. The new value is, what is the original value? The original value is 23, but mistakenly what he printed 32 only. That's why here cross multiplication, what we will get? 16 by 163 by 10 minus 20 plus 23 by 10 minus 32. What we get? We get a solution is 15.4 only. Otherwise, what is shortcut method? The shortcut method is the last method, shortcut method. They actually what he printed is 32, but the original printing is 23 only. Mistakenly, actually, the 23 is printed, but he mistakenly had he printed 32 only. Therefore, instead of 23, we substitute 32 only. Therefore, I want 23 only. That's why I'm x1 plus x2 plus x3. So on here, what is the value of this one? This value is equal to 23 only. That's why 23 can be written as 23 can be written as, how to write here? X1 plus x2 plus x3 plus so on. 32 minus 9, 23. What is the value of up to 32? Up to 32 value is equal to 16.3 only. 16.3 minus 9 by 10. 9 by 10 is equal to 0.9. Therefore, 16.3 minus 0.9 is equal to 15.4 is the our correct number. The 15.4 is the correct answer. This is previous JE mains question. JE mains question. Indirectly, how to write, sir? 16.3 plus 23 by 10 minus 32 by 10 is the our correct solution. Next problem. The mean of 100 observations is 45. The mean of 100 observations is 45. It has to later to found two observations. 19 plus 31 is incorrectly recorded as the 91 plus 13. Then the correct mean is, they actually 100 observations, 100, the mean of 100 observations is 45. Therefore, if two observations are 19, comma 31 incorrectly recalled as, actually writing 19 plus 19, comma 31, but how to record? How to record is 91 and 31. Just only changing the numbers here. 19, here 91, 31, here 31 can be written as here only 13. Indirectly, what he recorded as a 91 plus 13. So, how to find simple method? The simple method is, first of all, what is the original records here? X1 plus x2 plus so on. 91 plus 13 by 100 is equal 45 is correct. But is wrongly repeated. But how to print it? The total value is equal 104 only. Therefore, x1 plus x2 so on 104 is equal to 4500. But what is the difference between 104? What is the value? 19 plus 31, 50. Therefore, 19 plus 50 can be written as x1 plus x2 plus so on plus what is the value of 50 can be written as, it can be written as 104 minus 50. 104 minus 50 means what is the value? We get 45 minus 50, 50 by 100. We get a solution. Please do it here. Once again, I will repeat the concept. The mean of 100 observations is 45. So it has later to found two observations are 19 and 31 is incorrectly recorded as a 19 plus 31. First of all, find the x1 plus x2 plus x3. 91 plus 13 is equal to 45. Then after you have to find the 19 plus 31. What is the difference between these values? These values here, 19 plus 31 is 50. This one is the 104. 104. 50 minus 104 is equal to 45 only. The difference between the 104 minus 50, that is equal to 54 difference. That's why 45 minus 54. The answer is 44.46. So solution is, listen carefully. x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus so on. x98 is equal x98 plus 91 plus 13 is equal to by 100 is equal to 45 is given. But incorrect. What is the original mean? The original mean is 19 plus 13. So it can be written as 45 plus 19, 1 plus 13, 45 plus 91 plus 13, 91 plus 13 by 100 minus 91, 31 by 91, 13, 91, 13 by 100 only. Simple. What is the original value? Original value is 45. Now original value minus 1931 by minus 91 by 13 is our solution. Please do it. The problem is homework problem. Next one, the mean of this problem is assignment problem. This problem is assignment. The mean of 100 observations. The mean of 100 observations item is 45. It was discovered that the three items should have been 60, 70, and 80, were wrongly read as. They actually 60, 70, 80, but wrongly read as the 40, 20, 50 respectively. Then what is the correct mean? He gave 60, 70, 80, but we wrongly read as the 40, 20, 50 respectively. What is the correct mean? What is the new mean of the problem? This problem is assignment problem. Next one, the median of the distributions. The previous above 16 problems are depending on the mean formulas. Now I'm starting the median problem, median and mode only. The median of the distributions 83, 54, 78, 64, 90, 59, 67, 72, 70, and 73. It can be what is given? He given a how many variables here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 variables is given. So writing in a ascending order or descending order. I'm writing here only ascending order. What is ascending order here? First number is 54. I'm writing here 54. Next one 59, 64, 67, 70, 72, 73, 78, 83, 90. What he given? He given 83, 54 as an order. I'm writing in ascending order. What you want? I want the median. Median means exactly mid value. What is the mid value here? So the mid values are here. Suppose here last 5 letters. What is last 5 letters here? Up to here. What is the value? I'm writing in ascending order. Sorry, I'm writing here ascending order. 54 and 59, 64, 67, 70, 72, 73, 78, 83, 90. Median means exactly mid values. What is exactly mid values here? The mid values means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the values here? 4 only. 1, 2, 3, 4. From also 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the mid values here? The mid values are 70 plus 72. Therefore, 70 plus the average of the 70 plus 72 by 2 is equal 7 to 1 is the median of the given problem. So the even number, that's why I'm taking here 2 middle values are 2 there. That's why sum of this to average of 2 only. 70 plus 72 by 2 is equal 71 is the median. 71 is the median of the given problem. The way of procedure is Writing in ascending order 54, 59, 64, 67, 70, 72, 73, 78, 83, 90. The exactly mid values are the mid values means up to here only 4 values, up to here 4 values, up to here 4 values. Remaining part is only 70, 72. The average of this one is equal to 70 plus 71 is equal to, that is equal to only 71 is the correct solution. Next problem. The median of first 9 multiples of 3. The median of the 3 multiples of first to 9. So what is the 3 multiples of up to 9 only? The 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21, 24, and 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 12 is there missing. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 only. What is the value as the median of this one? So first to 3 and the last 3. Next one, first to 4 up to 12, up to 18. What is the median value? Exactly 15 is the median of the first to 9 multiples of 3 only. Exactly n is equal 9 means exactly middle one. Last 4, first 4, last 4 cancel. What is exactly middle value? Middle value is 15. That's why 15 is the median of the given problem. 15 is the median of the given problem only. The way of procedure is, the 3 multiples are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. N is equal 9 are odd number. Therefore, odd number, the 15th is the exactly middle term. The 15th is the exactly middle term. Why? Because here 4 letters, first 4 letters is cancelled. Remaining value is only 15. 15 is the midterm. Therefore, median of the given problem is 15 is the median of the given problem. Next one, the sum of the previous MCET question, last year MCET question, MCET 2020 question. What is given? The sum of 11 consecutive natural numbers is 2761. Then middle number is the 11. What is the sum of 11 consecutive? What is the middle number? 11 means I'm taking here n plus 1 plus n plus 2, so on up to n plus 10 only. N plus 10 is equal. What we will get? We get 2761. What you asking? The sum of the constant, not average. The sum of 11. That's why I'm taking n to 10. So 0, 1, 2, 3, so on up to 10. Up to counting here 0, including 0, we get 11 only. What you asking? The middle number. What is the middle number? The middle number is there only n plus 5 is the middle number. Out of 11 numbers, n plus 5 is the middle number. What is the middle number? The middle number is n plus 5. Find, first of all, you have to find the individual n value. How many n's here? 1, 2, 3, 11 n's is there. 11 n's plus remaining numbers are 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 10. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on. 10 is equal. What is the value up to so on? Plus 10 is equal 2761. 10 into 10 plus 1 by 2. 10 into 10 plus 1 by 2 is equal 55. 11n plus 55 is equal to 2761. There, what you want? You want only 11n. 11n is indirectly n is equal. What we will get? N is equal to, we get 246. What is the n value? N value is 246. Solve it, we get n value is 246. But what you want? You want n plus 5 value. N plus 5 value means 246 plus 5 is equal. 251 is the middle term of the 11 consecutive natural numbers. Once again, I will repeat the concept here. What is given? He given 11 consecutive numbers. N plus 1, n plus 2, so on. N plus 10 is equal 2761. But exactly what is the middle one? Middle one is n plus 5. Find individually n value. So how many n's here? 11 n's is there. Up to 11 n's is there. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 10 is equal. We get only 55. 55 is equal 2761. Therefore, n is equal, what we will get? We get n is equal to 246. We get n is equal to 246. You don't want n value. You want the middle term. What is the middle term here? N plus 1, n plus 5 is there. That's why put n is equal to 246. 246 plus 5 is equal to 251 is the middle term of the 11 consecutive natural numbers. Third option is correct answer. The way of procedure is sum of 11 numbers means up to n plus 10. We get 11n plus 55 is equal to 2761. 11 is equal to 2706. N is equal to only 246. But what you want, the middle term is n plus 5. Put n is equal to 246. 246 plus 5 is equal to 251 is the exactly middle value of the given problem. Next one also, this one also JEE mains question. JEE means 2019. 2019 only. So x plus 4 comma the median of this one. Median of the this one. So what do you want? You want 2019 JEE question. So I'm writing here. What I'm writing? Put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to all options, all numbers. X plus 4 is equal to 5. 1 minus 7 by 2. 1 minus 7 by 2 means minus 5 by 2. Next one, x 1 minus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Next here, minus 2. 1 minus 1 minus 1. 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2. And 1 by 2, 5 comma 6. So put x is equal to 1. What we will get? We get put x is equal to 1 means in place of x plus 4 is equal to 5. Don't do x values. The easy method, the shortcut method is simple. Just only put x is equal to 1 only. Put x is equal to 1. What we will get? X plus 1 is equal to 5. X minus 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Writing in the ascending order or descending order. I am writing here only ascending order. The ascending order of this one is equal. This ascending order of this one is what we will get? Minus 5 by 2 comma minus 2. Minus 5 by 2 comma minus 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 1 by 2 3 by 2 5 comma 6. First of all, put x is equal to 1. We get total 5 minus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 and minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2 comma 5 comma 6. I'm writing in ascending order. We get what is the I want middle term. How to find the middle term here? Here first two three, last three are middle. Remaining the addition of this one by 2. What is the value? Minus 1 plus 1 by 2 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. What is the median value? 1 by 4. Given problem, median value is 1 by 2. Given problem in x variables. That's why. What is the option? Put an option. Option number 1. What is option number 1? Option number 1 is x minus 1 by 4 only. X minus 1 by 4. I am substitute here. X is equal to 1 only. 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4 is equal. 1 minus 5 by 4. Sorry. 1 minus 5 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. Here 1 by 4. Here 1 by 4. We get a correct solution of the problem. Don't do the average of this one indirectly. That's why put x is equal to 1 only. We get a numbers. By using these numbers to writing in ascending order, we get minus 5, minus 2, minus 3 by 2. 6 to 5. Then what is the average of this one? The average of this 2 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 by 2. We get 1 by 4 only. In a 4 options, what you want? You want 1 by 4. You want 1 by 4 only. What you want? You want 1 by 4. Now given 4 options, put x is equal to 1 only. The first option put x is equal to 1. What we will get? Put x is equal to 1 now. 1 minus 5 by 4. 1 minus 5 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. What is our solution of median? Median 1 by 4, here 1 by 4. Therefore, first option is the correct solution of the given problem. Next one, the procedure is put x is equal to 1. We get 1 minus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 2. Put x is equal to 1 in the given problem. What we will get? 5 minus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 2 minus 1 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 comma 6. So what is the median? Median means exactly mid value. So first two three last to get cancelled. The addition of this one. Addition of this one means minus 1 plus 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. Therefore, what is the option? Option number 1. What we will get? Option number 1 is 1 minus x 1 x minus 1 by 5 by 4. We get 1 by 4 only. That is the correct solution for minus 1 by this minus 1 by this minus 1. Correct solution. The value of mode and mean is 60 respectively. 60 comma 60. The mean what is given? Mode is equal to 60. mean is equal 66 respectively. Then what is the median value? What is the median value? The formula already I know the formula. What is the formula for mode and mean formula? Mode is equal to formula 3 median minus 2 mean. We are not for in your IP, but all completed exam is still all completed exam is there. Mode is equal to, what is the formula? Mode is equal 3 median minus 2 mean. What is the mode value? He given mode is equal 60 is given 60 minus 3 into median don't given is median is not given. So minus 2 into mean. 2 into mean value. What is the mean value? Mean value is equal 66. Therefore, 3 mode is equal to 3 median. 3 median is equal to what is the value? 60 plus 132, 260, 132. What is the value? You want to only mean. Mean is equal to 60 plus 132 by 3. We get 64 is just only formula. What is the formula? The formula is mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. What are you asking? Asking a median or mean. So issues of depends on the question paper pattern. You ask me, suppose you given here a mode and mean, they ask a median. Suppose tomorrow they give mean and median, they ask a mode. What is the formula for mode? Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean only. What is the mode value? Mode formula is 3 median minus 2 into mean only. Solution. So your median. Median. Median, what is the value? Median is equal 60 plus 132 by 3. 60 plus 130 by 3. 133 means 192 by 3. 192 by 3 is equal 64 is the our correct solution of the given problem. What is the formula? The formula is mode is equal to, listen carefully. What is the formula? Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean only. Mode is equal 3 median minus 2 mean. Not in IB syllabus, just only entrance syllabus. Write a formula, take a screenshot. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 into mean only. Next problem, the mode of the following item. Mode problem is only for MSET level problem. There is no not coming from in JEE means. What is the mode? Mode means most repeated letter is called a mode. Most repeated number. The number is given. That's why what is the most repeated letter here? The most repeated letter is 0 is only one time. 1 is only one time. 6 in a 3 times. 6, how many 6 here? 1. 6 here. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 times. Therefore, most repeated number is 6 only. Therefore, mode of the following item is only 6. How many 7s here? 7s are only 2. Therefore, 0 is only single time. 1 is only single time. 2, 3 are only single time. 7 in a 2 times. 7 in 2 times. But 6s are in 3 times. That's why what is the mode? Mode of the given problem is equal. 6 is the most repeated number is 6. That's why mode of the following item is only 6. The mode is a most repeated number. The most repeated number is 6 only. That's why mode of the repeated problem is 6. The mean deviation of 100, 101 to 109 from the arithmetic. What is the mean deviation? What is the mean deviation of the numbers 100 to 110 from arithmetic mean only formula? What is the formula for arithmetic mean? X bar is equal to sum of observations by number of observations only. What is the numbers here? 100 to 101 only. 100 plus 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 110 by 10. By 10. Why? Because 100 to 100 number, 9 numbers are only 10 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by 10 only. What we will get? We get 1045 by 10 is equal to 104 minus 5. 104 minus 5 is 100. What is the value here? 104 minus 5 is equal to 4.5. These are 3.5. 102 minus 104 equal to 2.5. 103 minus 1.5. Just only at 0.5. 105, 2.5, and 3.5, 4.5, 5.5. What is the formula for this one? The mean of sigma 1 by n into xi minus x bar. Already we know formula in IP level. IP level is a 2 marks problem, but entrance level is only MSET problem only. This one. What is the value? 10 xi minus x bar. Xi value is equal 100 minus 104 is equal 4.5. Next one. 100 minus 104 minus 101 is equal 305. 104 minus 205 is equal 2.5. 104 minus 1.3 is 1.5. 104 minus 105 is equal 0.5 only. 104, 105 is equal 0.5. 104 minus 106 is equal 1.5. Why? Because we're taking a mod, we get what we will get? We get total value is equal to 250. 250.25. 25 by 10 only. 4.5, 2.5, 2.5, 1.5 is equal to 12.5. This is 12.5, this part is 12.5. 12.5 to 2.5, 125. 25 by 10 is equal to 2.5 is the our solution only. Next one, the variance of the 6, 8, 10, 12, 15. What is the formula for variancy? The variancy formula is already we know the formula. The variancy formula sigma square is equal to, variance can be sigma square is equal to 1 by n into sigma xi minus x bar whole square only. What is the formula? 1 by n into 1 by n value is equal. What is the value? N is equal 5 only. First of all, I want x bar. What is the value of x bar? X bar means arithmetic mean. What arithmetic means formula? Sum of observations by number of observations only. Sum of observations by number of, what is sum of observations? 6 plus 10 plus 12 plus 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14. What is the value? 6 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 10, 24, 24 plus 26, 50. 50 by 5 is equal to only 10 only. What is the value of x bar? X bar is equal to 10 only. 10 minus 6, 4, 4 square, 4 square, plus 10 minus 8, 2, 2 square value. Next, 10 minus 10, 0 square value. Next, 10 minus 12, 2 square value. 10 minus 4, 4 square value. By what is the value? Total number of items are only here 5 only. Number of items are 5 only. 4 square value 16. 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 24 plus 16 is equal to 40. 40 by 5 is equal. 40 by 5 is equal. 8 is the our correct solution of the variance. What is the variance formula? 1 by n into sigma xi minus x bar whole square only. Xi minus x bar whole square. How to find x bar value? X bar value means arithmetic mean. Sum of observations by number of observations only. What is the number of observations here? The number of observations are 5 only. Sum means we get 10. For what is the value? Up to means here 50. 50 by 5 is equal to 10. Xi minus x bar whole square. Xi minus x bar means 6 minus 10, 4 square. 8 minus 10, 2 square. 8 minus 10 minus 10, 0. 10 minus 12, 2 square. 14 minus 10, only 4 square. We get 40 by 5. 40 by 5 is equal to only 8. Therefore, standard deviation. What you want? You want the variance is the 8 only, but we're asking standard deviation. What is the standard deviation? Standard deviation means root of sigma square. Root of sigma square means root 8. Root 8 is equal to 2 root 2 is the standard deviation. What you asking? You're asking this problem only variance. Variance is equal to 8 is the our correct solution of the problem. The way of procedure is sigma square is equal to formula sigma xi minus x bar whole square by n only. So find individually what is the x bar value? The x bar value is equal to only 10. Therefore, 10 minus 6, 4 square, we get 40 by 5. 40 by 5 is equal to 8 is the variance is the 8. What you ask? Suppose you're asking the standard deviation. Therefore, we take 8 only. Next problem, the standard deviation. Standard deviation of the problem is what is the problem? The standard deviation means under root of the variance only. Standard deviation is under root of it. So find first of all x bar. What is the find of to find x bar? X bar is equal to same as usual previous method only. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 by 7. That is equal 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 14, 19, 19 plus 6, 25, or 25 plus 7, 32, 30. What is the value? 20. What is the variance? 28 only. 28 by 7. Why? Because 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 21. 21 plus 7, 28. 28 by 7 is equal to only 4 only. What is the x bar value? 4. 4 minus 1 whole square, 3 square. 4 minus 2, 2 square. Next 4 minus 3, 1 square. 4 minus 4, 0 square. 4 minus 1, 5, 1 square. Here 2 square plus 1 square. What is the number here? Number of items are here only 7. Again we get only 28 by 7 only. Again we get same values. 28 by 7. 28 by 7 is equal to only 4. Therefore sigma square is equal to 24 mean 4 only. What you want? You want standard deviation. Standard deviation means under root of sigma square. Sigma square value is equal to 4. Root 4 is equal to is the our cut. Simple. What is the formula? The formula is standard deviation is equal to under root of variance only. How to find variance? 1 by n into sigma xi minus x bar whole square is the our correct solution of the given problem. Okay. If the sum of 10 items is 12 and sum of squares is 18, then what is the standard deviation? What is given? Is given sum of 10 items is 12 only. Sum of 10 items is equal to 12 is equal to what is sum means here? X1 plus x2 plus x3 plus so on. X10 is equal to 12. The sum of their square. Sum of squares means here x1 square and x2 square plus x10 square is equal 18. And what you asking? Asking the standard deviation. How to formula the 18 by 10 minus 144, 1.44. We get the 9 by 25. 9 by 25 means equal to 3 by 5. Is correct. The way of procedure is next one. The CV, the coefficient of variance of the data is 58% and the standard deviation is 2.32 and the standard deviation is 2.32. Then arithmetic mean of the data. What is given the formula for what is the coefficient variance formula? The coefficients of variance formula CV is equal to sigma x bar by 100 is given. The formula. What is given? The CV is given. What is the value of CV? CV is equal 58 is given. Therefore, what is given? Is given CV is equal 58. What is standard deviation? Standard deviation means this one is equal. So what you want sigma. Therefore, substitute what is the value? 58 is equal to what is the standard deviation? 2.32 by x bar into 100. Therefore, x bar is equal what is the value? X bar is equal to 232 by 58 only. 233 by 58 is equal. 4 is the arithmetic mean of the given problem. What is the formula? CV is equal to sigma by x bar into 100. What is the sigma value? Sigma value means variance. The root of variance is equal to standard deviation. Standard deviation is equal under root of variance only. The way of procedure is what is the sigma value? What you get? We get 2.32 by x bar into 100 is equal. What you want? You want only x bar value. X bar value is equal to 232 by 58 only. Therefore, what is the value of this one is equal to x bar? Arithmetic mean is equal to 4 only. Up to here, measures of this patient is completed. Means in your IB syllabus, in your IB textbook, chapter number 8 is completed. Remaining are only two topics: probability and random variables and probability distributions. So next topics, this only I will explain the probability. In this chapter's probability is the ninth chapter. In the chapter, we get 3 MSET questions, 1 JEE mains question, 3 MSET questions, and 1 JEE mains question. What is the probability? The probability definitions. What is the event of the probability? I will explain one clearly. So what is the random experiment? If an experiment is conducted if an experiment is conducted any number of times under identical condition, if the result is not certain, no certain, then the experiment is called a random experiment. In an experiment is conducted any number of times under the condition, if the resultant is certain, the experiment is called a random experiment. Is called a random experiment. Suppose what is the random experiment? All possible outcomes are known in advance, but particular time we cannot expect it. For example, if you toss a coin, what is the outcome? The outcome is head or tail only. But fifth time what we will get, we cannot expect in advance. All possible outcomes are known in advance, but in a particular trial we cannot expect. For example, to toss a coin 10 times, what we will get? 10 times we get head or tail only. But exactly fifth time what we will get, we cannot expect correctly. So this is called a random experiment. Trial. What is the trial? The making an experiment is called a trial. Each and every event is called a trial only. Indirectly, each and every event is called a trial. For example, I will toss a coin first time, the first trial. Cause toss a coin second time is the second trial. Toss and third time means the third trial. The making an experiment is called a trial, and the possible outcomes is called an event. The possible outcomes is called a event. What is the sample space? The sample space means set of all possible outcomes is called a sample space of the random set of all outcomes, all possible outcomes. Can writing in a all possible outcomes. For example, we'll toss a coin in a 5 times, writing the all events. First time head, second time tail, third time tail, fourth time tail, fifth time tail. The total all possible outcomes is called a set of all events. Set of all events is called a sample space and denoted by the capital S only. What is the value of sample space? Capital S only. Set of all possible outcomes. Set of all possible outcomes is equal to a sample space. Experiment. What is the trial? Making an each and experiment is called the trial of this. What is the random experiment? Already we know. Samples point. Each and every outcome of the experiment is called a simple point or a sample point as a simple event. And each and every outcome of the random experiment is called a simple event or simple point. This a point or event are equal only. Outcome of the random experiment, each outcome of the random experiment is called a sample point or simple point. This is called also event also. What is the finite comma infinite sample space? A sample space consists of a finite numbers. Is called a finite sample space. Suppose we taking a finite number. Suppose we can throw a die. So only 6 numbers is a finite sample space. A sample space consists of a finite number of points is called a finite sample space. A sample space consists of an infinite number of points is called a infinite sample space. Let a note here. Sample space means here consists of a infinite numbers means infinite. Finite means only finite set. Next one, equally like there are the there are a different types of the events is there. Equally likely events, exclusive events, exact events, independent events, and dependent events. For example, equally likely event. Two events are said to be equally likely. If one of them cannot be expected to happen, the preferable to another one. Two events are said to be equally likely. One of them cannot be expected to happen preparable to the other one. Next one, mutually exclusive event. Two or more events are said to be mutually exclusive events. Two or more events are said to be mutually exclusive event if the occurrence of one of them prevents occurrence of the remaining of the events. What is the formula for equally likely formula? The condition for this is an only theoretical definition, but I want the mathematical definition. What is the mathematical definition of the equally likely? E1, E2, E3 are any three events. For example, E1, E2, and E3 are three events of a random experiment. What is the condition for equally likely? The equally likely condition is the probability of P of E1 is equal to probability of P of E2 is equal to probability of P of E3. The three events probability are equal is there. They are equal likely events. What is the mutual exclusive condition? The mutual exclusive condition is EI intersection EJ is equal to pi, where I not equal to J is called a exclusive events. Equally likely events means all events probability is equal to equal is equally likely events. Then what is the exclusive condition? Mutual exclusive means EI intersection EJ is equal to pi is a mutual exclusive event. Next one, exact events. What is exact events means E1 and E2, E3, so on, En is equal to S is called a exact event. There are three types of events are important in MSET level. What is the equal likely events? All probables are equal, they are equally likely events. EI intersection EJ is equal to pi, therefore EI comma EJ are mutually exclusive events. What is the exhaustive events? Exhaustive events is the union of E1 union, E2 union, E3 union, so on. En is equal to S is called a exhaustive events. Bye students, thank you. Tomorrow I will continue the probability chapter. This is most important chapter for probabilities and all type of competitive exams like a JEE Mains, IIT Advanced and BITSAT. Thank you everyone. Tomorrow I will continue the same class one.